What if the path to happiness meant leaving everything you know behind? I'm Jeff, middle-class Aussie bloke, former muso, filmmaker and digital creator, now chasing something more deeper than a paycheck. Freedom, love and peace of mind outside the West is what I'm thinking. Aussie Nomad Life is my raw, honest journey as I transition from burnout to breakthrough, trading the 9-to-5 grind for a simpler, soulful life in Southeast Asia. Along the way, I'll be opening up about love and relationships after 50, men's mental health and the struggle to stay afloat, retiring abroad on a realistic budget, vlogs, interviews and unfiltered moments of life overseas. This isn't just a travel channel. It's a real story of rebuilding from the ground up, emotionally, financially and spiritually. If you're searching for more in this world, or just someone who feels stuck and wants out, well, you're not alone. Believe in yourself, make decisions, make plans, follow through. You can do this. Thank you so much for being here and visiting my channel. I hope I can help you and inspire you to make that change in your life. And if you like my channel, do me a favour. Please hit that subscribe button and hit the bell if you want to get daily updates.